How to solve with Pemdas. Today we're going over order of operations, which is also known as Pemdas. We're going over 3 problems using Pemdas. Here's our first problem. 5 times 2 squared divided by 2 plus 8. When using Pemdas, you go from left to right. So, there's no parentheses, but there is an exponent. How to solve with an exponent is the number times itself. Like it shows above, it's 2 times 2. It's the number times itself, but as many as the exponent is. For example, 5 times 2 squared divided by 2 plus 8. Go down, it's 5 times 4 divided by 2 plus 8. Go down, 20 divided by 2 plus 8. Then it's 10 plus 8 equals 18. Here's our next problem. 52 plus 8 squared minus 3, parentheses 4 minus 2, parentheses, cubed. Going down, it's 52 plus 8 squared minus 3, parentheses, 2, parentheses, cubed. Going down, 52 plus 8 squared minus 3, parentheses, 8, parentheses. Going back down, 52 plus 8 squared minus 24. Then, it's 116 minus 24 equals to 92. Now, our last problem. 6 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 3. Then, it's 6 plus 2 plus 3. Now remember, it's left to right. Now, it's 8 plus 3, which equals 11. Thank you, and hope you enjoy.